Hello, this is Teresa in the team department here at Pulaski County Public Library. Today we're going to look at pet cactus rocks. So you're going to need a little planter, a little terracotta pot, a rock of any kind, usually, something smooth, something like that, or anything. And you're going to need some green paint, and you could do any color green, and some white paint, and some googly eyes, and cotton balls, and a little piece of brown felt or green or whatever you want to do. Because this is your pet rock, so what I did, I painted all of the rock green, and then I let that dry, and then I used this for that to get all over there good, and then I took the white paint and just poured out a little bit and put like little cross marks, or you can do a line, or however you want to do your cactus rock is fine. And then I took a couple of little googly eyes and stuck those on there together so you can see them. And then in the pot, I used the cotton balls to raise the rock up a little bit. So I just put some cotton balls in there, and then I just put the little piece of brown felt to make like, it's dirt or whatever in there. And then you just set your little pet rock in there. And then I painted a little cactus on drew me a little cactus on the outside. You don't have to, you can put whatever you want to. And that's how I done that. Very simple, doesn't take long. You just wait for your paint to dry, and there you have your pet cactus rock. Thank you.